Imagine this, you wake up tomorrow morning and the world is completely different. New cities, new technology, people you don't recognize, a future you've never seen before. Time travel has always been one of humanity's greatest dreams. From ancient myths to modern movies, we've always wanted to control time. But here's the truth, according to modern physics, we cannot travel to the past. No fixing mistakes, no meeting historical figures, no going back to relive the best days of our life. However, there is something just as fascinating. We can, at least in theory, travel to the future. And the most incredible part is that this is not science fiction. It's real science. Today I'm gonna show you the two ways the universe allows us to travel into the future. Before talking about the future, let's clarify one thing. Physics strongly suggests that traveling to the past would break the laws of cause and effect. If you could go back in time and change something important, you could erase your own existence. This leads to logical paradoxes that physics cannot accept. So, the universe seems to say, you can go forward, but you cannot go back. And now, let's see how you can move forward in time faster than everyone else. Let's start with speed. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is not the same for everyone. It depends on how fast you are moving. The faster you go, the slower time passes for you. This sounds crazy, but it has been proven by experiments. Even astronauts on the International Space Station age just a teeny bit slower than people on Earth, because they move very fast around our planet. But what happens if we push this to the extreme? Imagine a spaceship traveling at 99.9% of the speed of light. For the people inside the ship, time flows normally. They eat, sleep, talk, and grow older. But for people on Earth, time passes much faster. Let's say you leave Earth on a spaceship at near light speed and travel for 5 years. For you, only 5 years pass. But when you return to Earth, you might find that 50 or even 100 years have passed. Your friends are old. Your city is completely changed. The world has moved on without you. You didn't use a time machine. You simply move through time differently. This effect is called time dilation due to speed. In other words, by moving extremely fast, you jump into the future. Now let's talk about something even more mysterious: gravity. According to Einstein, gravity doesn't just pull objects, it also affects time. The stronger the gravity, the slower time passes. On Earth, this effect is tiny, but near very massive objects, it becomes dramatic. And the most extreme objects in the universe are black holes. Black holes are formed when a massive star collapses into an incredibly dense point. Their gravity is so strong that light cannot escape, and time almost comes to a stop. Imagine this, you have a super advanced spaceship, you travel close to a black hole, but safely, without falling in. You stay there for 1 hour. For you, feels like one normal hour, but on Earth, years or even centuries could pass. When you return, Earth is in the far future. New civilization, new languages, maybe even a new form of humanity. This is called gravitational time dilation. So once again, by experiencing extreme gravity, you travel into the future. At this point, you might be thinking, so when can I book my ticket to the future? Unfortunately, not anytime soon. To reach near light speed, we will need more energy than humanity can currently produce, materials that can survive extreme conditions. To reach a black hole, we will need technology far beyond anything we have today, and we will face enormous dangers. So for now, time travel to the future remains theoretical, but based on real tested physics. Here is the truly incredible part. The universe itself is a time machine. It allows different people to experience time at different speeds. Time is not fixed, it is flexible, it is relative. This completely changes how we see reality. We are not just moving through space, we are also moving through time. And depending on how you move and where you are, you might move through time faster or slower than someone else. So let's summarize. We cannot travel to the past. The laws of physics seem to forbid it, but we can travel to the future? In two ways: by moving at speeds close to the speed of light, and by staying near extremely strong gravitational fields. Not with a machine, not with magic, but with the structure of the universe itself. And maybe, one day, humanity will find a way to truly explore time, not just space. If you could choose, would you travel 100 years into the future? Or would you want to see how humanity evolves? Tell me in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey through time, I'll see you in the future.